Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the Nighthawk RS500 Wi-Fi router step by step. So first of all, you just have to unplug the modem for about 30 seconds. Now simply connect the modem to the internet or the WAN port, which is this particular yellow colored port over here on the back of the Nighthawk RS500 using an Ethernet cable. After doing so, you just have to simply plug the router into the power and then simply turn it on. After doing so, you just have to simply check the sticker on the router for the default Wi-Fi network and the password. Then you just have to connect your phone, your laptop or tablet by providing those credentials. After doing so, you just have to simply open your Nighthawk mobile application on your phone. Now, when you open it for the very first time, you will be shown the option of adding a device. So you just have to simply select that, and the application is going to basically detect the RS500 automatically and will guide you through the setup process. So you just have to simply follow along, and this way you will be able to basically get access to your router settings as well. So after the setup, you need to also check for the latest firmware updates inside the app or the routing settings, and if the updates are available, you need to make sure that you update them. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.